What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another moto vlog. We are here at an awesome motocross track today. This place gets taken really well care of. It's got awesome jumps, great flow. The soil's so good that it ruts up really nice. Honestly, my main goal today is just to work on everything, like ride as fast as I can, flow better, hit all the jumps well, hit the ruts with speed. It's probably smart to do a roller lap your first lap out, but I don't know, it just felt like it's easier to send these jumps than roll them. The soil out here today is looking absolutely amazing. Are you kidding me? Look at this. It's going to be rut central. And it's 100 degrees today. It's absolutely the hottest temperature I've probably ever rode in. Let's see what this looks like out here. Alright, so that's a double or a triple. Alright, we'll roll this one. That one's definitely different. That's like a step up now that you can double or triple. That's cool. This track, he always updates things and makes changes. Let's see what this thing looks like. Okay, same. Oh yeah! Good stuff, Sammy. God, I love a good rhythm section, man. This outside line. Woo! See if we can clear this. Oh yeah, third lap in. We're clearing these jumps, no problem. These ruts are good. That's a hard landing, dude. There's like barely much of a landing there. Man! That one shoots you up there so high. You actually got to go fast to clear that thing now. That second one. Oh. That route sucks, dude. Like I can actually coast those and practice scrubbing a little bit. Oh! I actually coasted that one. That was sick! It's so fun hitting that one that high up in the air. But man, that landing hurts. That sucks. This soil is so damn good today, though. I can't believe how good he's got it. For 100 degrees and no rain. He's so good at maintaining this place. Hard on the brakes. Soil's perfect in that corner, baby. not joking. I don't know if I've ever rode this smooth and fast my entire life. Oh, head shake city. Damn. My bad, bro. We got fast boys coming up behind me. I guess I was all over the place in their way. That humbles you. I thought I was riding so well. I thought I was riding so good. And these dudes just absolutely waxed me. Oh, shit. All right. Oops. All right, so that one is a double, but you probably should triple it because you have to go really slow to double it. Did I mention that it's currently 100 degrees and full sun out here? Oh yeah, you really got to launch that thing now. Be hard on the brakes to the finish line. Hey, I would absolutely love one. Thank you so much.
That color?
Yeah, I won't complain.
What color was you going to get?
Orange is the number one.
Oh, no wonder you said
Green's second best. Hey, thank you so much. Look at that. And the track owners come walking around on these hot 100-degree days with ice pops for you. Can't beat it. This time we're going to clear this and hit the inside. Oh yeah, cleared it right on the brakes. No problem hitting that inside, baby. Smooth as silk. That jump just absolutely flew to. These corners are just so flowy. Alright, that's not a landing, dude. That hurts. Ah, dude, I should be hitting that one so much better. Oh, I gotta stop casing that, dude. I gotta find the flow. Dude, cased it again. How fast you gotta go for that? Good and flowy. This is my biggest accomplishment today. The fact that I can jump that, like coasting it, letting off the throttle. That's a big accomplishment. That means I'm riding way faster than normal, man. I think with that rut, I'm like afraid to lean for some reason because it's really long. Cleared it. There we go. Finally cleared it. Just gotta be right on the brakes for this corner. shit. Luckily no one was behind me. Oh, now that has a steep landing, when you OJ, you feel it, baby. I gotta say, this was probably the best I've ever rode my dirt bike, the most comfortable I've ever felt. This track flows so nicely. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.